Are you struggling to unlock the full potential of your audio capabilities on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro? Well, today we're going to cover 3 hacks that are going to allow you to really improve the audio capabilities on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So let's get into the video and see what we're going to cover today. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at 3 potential hacks that you can use on your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro to really help unlock pro level audio capabilities for the action camera. I mean, it doesn't just apply to the Action 5 Pro, you can apply these to the Pocket 3 or the Action 4 as well. It's just today we're going to be specifically looking at the Action 5 Pro. So first of all, we're going to touch upon ways to really increase the invisibility of the DJI Mic Mini alongside the Action 5 Pro. And secondly, we'll be touching upon ways to capture better ambient sounds with the DJI Mic Mini and Action 5 Pro and really help improve your sound design. And then finally, we'll be looking at the ways the DJI Mic Mini can really integrate with a whole host of other DJI products. So I'm looking forward to it. Hope you are too. Let's get into it. Oh, and one last thing, I'd just like to apologise for the severe lack of videos that I've uploaded in the past 2 weeks. Life has got in the way. I'm busy with work, busy with weddings, and a whole host of other life things. So apologies for that, but we'll be back to regular schedules from now on. So yeah, back to the video. So I think it's fair to say the DJI Mic Mini is extremely discreet anyway. But if you're really wanting to make the mic even less visible to the naked eye or to the audience or to the camera, then the best way to do that is by using the included magnet clip that you get in the box. And I think you would probably just want to hide the mic underneath a t-shirt or a shirt or a jumper or a hoodie or whatever, and then just literally pop the clip on it, and there you go. It is hidden and you're not going to be compromising on any sound quality. It is going to sound just as good as if it were on the outside of your clothing. On a white t-shirt, you can see that, okay, the magnet is a little bit visible, but if you were wearing, let's say, a black shirt or a black t-shirt, it's practically going to be hidden. So this is a really, really good way to stay more discreet in your vlogs or any videos. And, you know, if you don't want to be attracting attention with a big mic on your chest, then here you go. This is a great tip to keep it more discreet. And especially if you're wanting to use, say, the air muffs, if it's a little bit windy, the windshields on top, that's just going to make it look even more obvious. So hiding behind the t-shirt is going to act as a sort of windshield anyway. So, you know, you hit 2 birds with 1 stone. So the next hack is looking at ways that you can really add depth and ambience to your videos. So what do I mean by that? So essentially that means improving your sound design. So for example, you can use because the DJI Mic Mini is so small, you can really use it to get up really close to sort of, let's say, sounds. If you're going out for a hike, you could easily just use the Mic Mini and just capture the water ambience, like the flowing stream, for example, on a trail. You can really get the mic nice and close to the water, the flowing water, and you could pop it by it and capture, 10 seconds worth of really good, clear audio, just to add a little bit of depth to your videos. And you could capture nature sounds like the birds in the woods, or just general city noises, because sometimes when you're using the mics or small mics like the Mic Mini, and it's really going to focus in on your voice and not capture too much of the surrounding ambience. For example, the city noises, the cars, the chats, the restaurants, the pubs, the bars, all that stuff won't be captured too clearly on a small mic like this. And you'll need to get up, just, allow the mic to listen to all the sounds of the landscape, the surrounding landscape. So really making time to capture better ambience in your projects or your videos or your vlogs is just a really great way to level up your videos and your content. If you could watch a really cinematic, say, show reel or something like that, for example, on YouTube, but all you'll hear is an audio track. And just by having a little bit of ambient sounds, you can really lift the potential of that project. Because of the tiny size of the DJI Mic Mini, you are not going to have to worry about too many cables, like an audio recorder, an external audio recorder. It is just pop this mic as close as you can to the sound source, and voila, you have some great ambient sound capture capabilities. So the next hack is something that DJI don't really openly advertise as such, and I don't think too many people are aware of it, but actually the DJI Mic Mini can connect to a whole host of other cameras from the DJI lineup, and as well as any other camera that has a microphone input. For example, it will connect seamlessly with the Action 4 series, the Action 5 Pro series, which we're using today, and also the Pocket 3. I've got various other videos that go through this, but yes, it is something that is very, very useful, and it all works through an ecosystem that DJI have created, which is called OMSO Audio, and it just allows for any other DJI products that can use the mics, and it's just an instant connection. So one click pairing, and there you have it. You are connected, and you've got good, clear, crisp audio for your videos or vlogs. So I think this integration between the Mic Mini and the various DJI products it really highlights the benefits for staying within the DJI ecosystem. You can fine tune the audio, and it really allows you to look past sort of conventional microphones, say lavalier or boom mics. All you have to deal with is this little guy, pop it under your hoodie or shirt, and away you go. You've got perfect audio for your videos or vlogs, and not forgetting the sound capture capabilities for ambient audio too. So there we have it, a very short video on 3 simple hacks that can help elevate your audio for your Action 5 Pro or any other DJI product for that matter that connects seamlessly to the Mic Mini. So Pocket 3 or Action 4. All these will connect instantly with the DJI Mic Mini, but also not forgetting you can use the DJI Mic Mini with the receiver to any other camera, like I've got here in front of me, a Canon camera. So we touched upon the ways that you can really increase the invisibility of the Mic Mini by placing it under your clothing using the magnetic clip here on the back, which comes with the Mic Mini. We looked at ways that you can take your videos further with ambient sound design. So, if you're out for a walk and you pass a stream and you want to capture the stream, then place your mic down close to that water, that flowing water, and you can get nice crisp audio that really enhances takes your viewer along the story better. And then another example might be out in the woods. You want to capture the birds singing. Place your mic anywhere and just listen to the birds. Another fantastic way to elevate your video and your story. And then finally, I think, and a very important one that might be missed by a few viewers, that is the way that the DJI Mic Mini can really integrate seamlessly with, say, Pocket 3, Action 5 Pro, and the Action 4 series as well. And not forgetting cameras like Canon, which I'm using here today. You can pop it in the receiver using the mic cable, and then it connects seamlessly to the Mic Mini. So if you're really looking at ways, or you want to learn more about the Mic Mini, then I have a video here that might just help you do that. So there you go. Have a watch. Thank you for watching. Give us a subscribe and a like. And if you've got any hacks that you want to share with me, pop in the comments below and we will have a discussion. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.